Hey everyone, I'm back, guys. Welcome to the stream. So, like always, I'm glad you're here. So, today we are going to dive into Nasdaq. I will look for potential setup. Feel free to ask questions, and guys, don't forget to like the stream, subscribe, and smash the notification button. For that, you never miss a session. So let's check on the Nasdaq and make this an awesome trading day. So we have here Nasdaq. We can let's go on daily. So I have a bullish idea for today's bias. So we can go for this Friday high, and also we have this equal highs. So price could take this buy side liquidity. So we can see that on daily we are rejection from this moving average. For the 4 hours candle, we can see that we have this fair value gap. I will draw it, and we also can see that we have a support level. So this is a reversed fair value gap. We can treat it like a support level, and price will support to rejection on it. On 1 hour we have the same fair value gap, so I will leave it, and we have this reversed fair value gap if price will close above it. So I will draw it. This is a 1 hour reversed fair value gap. On the 5 minutes, I will go on 5 minutes. We can see that we have this reversed here, this one, and it's a support that we can trust it. So I'm bullish, and I'm gonna wait for price to retrace or a pull back on this area. So if this 1 hour candle close above this reversed fair value gap, I'm gonna try to enter here if price will come back and reach at this area. It will be a key level for me to focus on it. So we can see, let's see, S&P. We have the S&P 500. It's also bullish. We have this reversed, so it's a support level from this area. So on the 1 minute we can see that ES took this high and then showing some pullbacks. I think they will pull back to this area, this reversed, and from then we can see if price will reject and give us a model to try it, or price will take this sell side liquidity. Let's take a look on Dow Jones Wall. So we have this huge candle here. So Dow Jones showing us some weakness, but we can see that Nasdaq is very bullish, and ES, I think we will see price touch this area, and from then we will wait and see if price will give us an entry, buy entry. So let's go back on Nasdaq. So that will be so I forgot what I'm gonna say, but let's focus on Nasdaq. So we took this buy side liquidity. Price give us an equal highs here. On 1 hour we have this equal highs here, so I'm gonna wait and see if price will give us a buy entry. So this is my my consequence accroachment. If price will check this sell side liquidity. So this is the sell side liquidity, and we have this support area, and also this is 4 hours and 1 hour reversed fair value gap, so it can hold price. It's a support level. So let's wait and see. So we tapped in this reversed fair value gap. It's 5 minutes, yes. Price didn't hold and close above this 1 hour fair value gap, and we didn't respect the 50%. I'm still bullish on Nasdaq. I'm very bullish. So ES 500. So we have this reversed fair value gap. So tell me guys, what is your bias for today? I'm gonna see your comments. This 1 hour reversed fair value gap, price did violate this 50%. We violate this 50%, and we will wait and see if we will hold in this support level. So let's wait and see if price will give us an entry. So first of all, I will target this buy side liquidity, this first one, and we have this daily buy side liquidity. So in Monday I have this idea that we will take this liquidity. We have this daily no wick candle, so I did have an idea that we will deliver and take this low. This one. So as we can see that we don't have any wicks and we have this huge gap. So I was very bearish on Monday, and like I said, we did reject from this moving average. So we have this weekly opening gap, price traded above it and below it, but we didn't close above this fair value gap this weekly. Oh, we did close on Monday, yes. So Wednesday price close also, rejection on moving average and close above, so it's a sign. I will type here that this is E fair value gap 5 minutes inside, and this is a 1 4 hour. So we did close. I will wait price to break this reversed. If we have a close above this reversed, or I actually will long because we
Order filled.
we did break this moving average. This is my first entry. Stop loss is below this low. So I will place, I will come back to 1 hour. Stop loss is here. So we have the stops here, and 1 hour I will put 3 contracts here, and I will leave 1 runner here. So I did enter after breaking this moving average. I enter in the second candle. Stops is below this order block. We have this order block here, fair value gap here, so I did wait for price to come back and reach us this 5 minutes. Let me show you this reversed fair value gap, this 5 minutes reversed fair value gap, this one, and we have this 4 hour reversed fair value gap. So like I said in the first, I'm very bullish on Nasdaq. I don't want to trade against the bias of the week. So that will be the trade. I'm up $140. So we can see that price will come back and reach at this area, but we have this balanced price range. We can see price won't come back and reach at this area. I hope that price will not touch this fair value gap, or at least respect 50% of this fair value gap. Wow. What a candle. So it's a loss. We didn't even respect this fair value gap. Price take this huge candle like it's nothing here. That's why I think it will be a loss, but we have this order block here. That's why I put my stops under this order block. So let's wait and see if price will respect this order block. Let's see if price will break this bearish fair value gap. Let's see if price will respect this area. If price close above it, we can consider it as a support level. So we can see that Nasdaq and ES, ES and Dow Jones, they are bearish. Dow Jones broke this moving average, and I think he will choke this sell side. I don't know, maybe. And you can see that ES done the same move as Nasdaq, but if we zoom in, we can see that price broke this first fair value gap, so he is in a support level. So I think we will see some rejection from this area, and we did close above it, so I will move my stops under this candle. If we did respect this area, we will respect it. If we broke it, so it will be it. So like I said, in ES we can see that after price bounce from this reversed area, you can see that we have this reversed fair value gap. So price will consider it. It's a support level. For Nasdaq, same thing. We did broke this reversed fair value gap, this bearish fair value gap. So we can see we could see some potential support on this area. Let's get back on NinjaTrader. So I don't want to put my stops under this reversed fair value gap. I want to give price some range and not going tight on this trade. So I will be very patient about trailing my stops. So ES, like I said earlier, we will consider it as a support. Price will give us some consolidation, and we can see here that price broke this moving average. So let's wait and see. So for sellers, I think they will go and short from this area, and they will enter here and stop loss above this fair value gap, or maybe in this, or above this high. So we have someone that vote that Nasdaq will be up, bullish. So we have the same bias for today's session. So we have my friend that trade with me, always watching my stream. So big shout out to my friend. So we have this entry that's being so slow. So sellers consider that price took this buy side liquidity, and then we have this huge displacement, so many traders will enter shorts. And if you pay attention about price action, I think that you will have the same bias like me. Session retraced on a reversed fair value gap. If you being patient, you will see that we broke this reversed fair value gap. Even so, price give us a second entry here on this candle. After price broke this reversed fair value gap, second candle retested, and from then price deliver up. You can enter here, stop loss under this candle, or to be safe under this one. I did enter after closing above this moving average. I put my stops under this order block, and that's it. That's the trade. I can move my stops under this reversed fair value gap. For me, price, he don't need to come back in this area, so I will put it under this order block, and this is not my target. I will aim to take my first partial on 1 hour buy side liquidity. I will aim on this buy side liquidity, so I will not take this entry, this take profit here. So let's wait and see price to move up. I have a theory that if you enter a trade and put your stops and you didn't put a take profit, price will go and move in your favor. But if you enter and put your take profit, you will hit a loss. So that's the theory. We can agree to disagree, but that's the idea that I have. So we are up $350. I'm long 3 lots to the moon. My broker spread put my entry 15 points above where I want to enter. That's why I don't like to trade from CFD. So that's why I choose trade futures. No spread, no slippage, no nothing. If you risk $200, if price will tap into your stop loss, you will have a $200 loss. So I trade in funded next. I think my evaluation was very good, and I have a phase 2 evaluation. I put like 1% risk on the trade, and there is no news, no nothing, no volume that will trigger my stops with a huge momentum and have a slippage. But I did risk 1% price tap in my stops, and I was shocked that I take a loss of 2.5% loss. I hate trading on safety. So futures, it's the best for scalpers like me. I do day trading and scalping. I don't like to hold my positions too long. I trade usually AM session, huge volume, 10 AM. That will be my perfect entry. And I don't want to hold trade too much because market is crazy. So futures is the best choice if you are a day trader like you. Yes, my friend, like you. So let's talk about this fair value gap. If you did enter sell here, you will be stopped out in this range, and if you put your stops above this high, I think price will also check your stops. If we are very bearish, sorry, we will respect this first bearish candle, bearish fair value gap, and we will see price deliver this sell side liquidity. We will not see this consolidation in this reversed fair value gap on 5 minutes, and also we have this confirmation entry after breaking this moving average. So that's why I'm very bullish. Sorry. So we have ES taking this buy side liquidity. Wow. If I did trade ES, I will take my profits and leave a runner, a one contract or something like this. So I will trail my stops under this order block. I will trail it, not be greedy, and we have like $550 in profits. Call me greedy, but I will not move my take profits. So we have like 1 point from my take profits. If price checked my stops here, I will be up like 1%, 1 hour. So it's a good situation here. We are in a good situation. So like I said, if you did enter shorts here, you'll be stopped out. Focus on this session. Stops to break even, yes, or maybe full close. Holy, close for R. And let's see if price will take my stops here. So if price will check my stop loss, it will be up $300, I think. But if price will continue to this take profit, I will be up like $500, and I will trail my last position to this full target here, this one. I think I will be out in this candle. We didn't respect this 50%. We did respect fair value gap, but if price is very bullish, we will respect this 50% fair value gap. I will wait this order block to see if we will continue up, or that will be the trade. Closed for our holy. Nice trade, brother. So I think I will not stream tomorrow. So this is my last live stream for this week. Yes, no bullish sign. If we will close above this bearish fair value gap, we will be safe. We will be safe. Yes, this one. So I think I don't wanna give this trade a huge like a huge space. I don't wanna.
Stop field.
So I will remove this one and also this one. Yes. So we did. So $234. It's the profit from this trade. I was greedy. Yes, I was greedy, but it was a nice trade. So I was smart for this trade. I didn't put my break even in my entry. If I did, I will be out with 0 profits. So that will be it. This is the EM session trade. Love you guys as always. smash the like, subscribe, and also follow me on Twitter. And that will be it. I will close this stream. See you guys on Monday, and have a nice